We're staying on top of a story that broke last night, a global cyber attack affecting major institutions in our backyard.
WJZ is live in East Baltimore. Paul Gessler is outside Johns Hopkins Hospital, where personal information of thousands affiliated with the medical system and university are at risk. Paul.
Big and Denise, this is the email sent out to the Johns Hopkins community last night, notifying them of a system-wide cyber attack, possibly affecting employees, students, and even patients.
Johns Hopkins officials say the recent cyber attack did not impact patient medical records, but other personal data is at risk. Wednesday's email came 2 weeks after the breach. The hospital and university says it's working with law enforcement. A Russian-speaking ransomware gang known as Klop has taken credit for a global attack impacting high-profile agencies and organizations, demanding payment. It's unclear whether Klop is behind the Hopkins attack, although it was breached in a similar way, through file transfer software. Cybersecurity expert Chris Webster.
We've moved past a period of time where it's an if, it's a will. If you're operating a system, you're going to be subject to cyber attack.
A study from Johns Hopkins' own business school found the risk of hospital data breaches is greater at larger facilities and teaching hospitals like Hopkins. Ransomware attacks have cost Maryland taxpayers millions as government agencies have been hit. In 2019, Baltimore City paid hackers $6 million after they took over city systems that controlled everything from water bills to real estate fees. The next year, Baltimore County schools paid out $8 million. And in 2021, the state's Department of Health was hit, postponing the release of critical COVID data at the height of the Omicron wave. Webster says the dynamics around ransomware are changing, oftentimes to a double extortion.
Now we've seen sort of a dual threat, where not only do they ransom the data back to you, they look to see if they can exploit the data in other ways.
The Maryland Healthcare Commission reports statewide healthcare data breaches have increased more than 60% since 2018, with breached records surpassing 2.3 million during that time.
Now, Hopkins is encouraging its students, staff, and patients to monitor their accounts. It's offering 2 years of free credit monitoring to anyone affected. For now, reporting live in East Baltimore at 4 tonight, I'm Paul Gessler for WJZ.